Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about.
Hello sweeties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, I am Sugar. Everybody go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a quick and easy Amazon install on this little 8-inch ash blonde wig. I've already bleached the knots, conditioned it, washed it, and let it air dry. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, ladies, so this is the final result. I don't usually have that much faith in T-part wigs. I didn't know how much I would like this one. I didn't really think I would like it at all, but it's not bad. I'm not mad at it. I don't consider this ombre though, y'all. I think this is just more of a dark root look, if you get what I'm saying. I feel like if it was ombre, it would be dark down to at least right here and then start to change, but y'all can tell me in the comments because I'm not sure, but I don't really consider this ombre. I did get a little shedding, not from the lace, but from the tracks. It's not too bad. It's just, you know, I don't know if it's from breakage or the bleaching process. I'm not really sure, but I did experience a little bit of shedding. And I didn't pluck it or anything because I just really want y'all to see what it was looking like without that, because they claim it's pre-plucked. So, I think it's okay. I think you can get by, like, if you're a real beginner, don't feel comfortable doing all that. I did bleach the knots though, because the knots were on the bigger side, but they did bleach. So, because like sometimes when they're too big, they will not bleach. But yeah, that's the part without any plucking or anything like that. Okay, I just really want to keep it as simple as possible and just really show y'all what it was giving on its own. But yes, this is the wig for $70. I think it's pretty good. Again, the shedding isn't real bad. It was just like when I was brushing it and stuff, I would see some, I'm gonna call it normal shedding, and the fact that it's been bleached, I'm assuming. We'll go ahead and let that go. But yes, this is it. Quick, easy, cute bob, 8 inches, T-part wig. They're saying it's ombre. I don't think it is. They say it's pre-plucked. I'm not mad at it. I'll go ahead and give them that too. It's a cute little bob, you know, if you just going out somewhere real quick or want to switch it up from the summer and spring. It's not bad at all. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell, put your girl in the algorithm, okay? And I hope you enjoyed this video. So I will see you guys in the next one. Until next time, stay sweet.